Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jesse Hawila with an update here for WFAA Plus, and temperature's still it's hot. I should say it's humid too. Heat index of 107 right now out at Fair Park. So again, we have lots of fuel for thunderstorms. Very cool shot here from our UNT Denton Tower cam. It's 93 degrees, feels like 105. You see those thunderstorms in the background. The high today was 95. The normal is 90. It's 93 at DFW, dew points in the mid 70s. Here's what we have on radar right now. Dallas, Fort Worth in the clear as of this hour. In fact, we're going to zoom back down there. That's my fault. We'll go back down here into the Dallas-Fort Worth area in the clear at this moment. But if we look off to the northeast of the Metroplex, we do have this tornado warning that right now, and this may be canceled before 7:30, but there's a tornado warning for a part of Fannin and a very small little part of Lamar County. There was a very brief confirmed weak tornado in rural Fannin County that lifted very quickly, so they issued the tornado warning, and the environment's just not really good for tornadoes. They're taking advantage of what they can, and they've dropped that very brief tornado there in Fannin County. But we again think that this warning will likely expire or get canceled even before the expiration of 7:30. So that's our severe thunderstorm. We'll do a DMA view and show you that we have that severe thunderstorm northeast of the Metroplex. Thunderstorms down toward Meridian. This is the main event that we've been talking about for quite some time. You have all these thunderstorms now coming together in an MCS, a mesoscale convective system. Widespread thunderstorm activity in the Panhandle, central Oklahoma, and then near Childress, then down to the south, closer to Abilene. You see those tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings out towards Seymour and Haskell. This is all coming together. All right, it's going to congeal, and we're going to have that threat for damaging wind gust of 70 to 80 plus miles per hour. So if we look at our WFAA weather alert from tonight, 9 p.m. to 3 o'clock in the morning for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, the impacts 70 to 80 plus mile per hour winds up to golf ball size hail. Can't rule out an isolated spin up like we're seeing. That remains a lower threat, especially as we get into later tonight. The number one concern by far is going to be the 70 to 80 plus. Brief heavy rain, lightning. That's also a threat tonight. Stay updated. Have a way to receive warnings and stick with us here on WFAA Plus. We will, of course, keep you updated all night long. So we saw that cluster of thunderstorms a little bit ago. Here's what it's going to look like around 9 p.m. As we get into 10 p.m., it starts to inch into the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So watch my finger here. So from Eastland, Mineral Wells, Decatur, Gainesville, that's the leading edge. And that leading edge is where those winds will be the most robust, where there could be the 70, the 80 mile per hour wind gust embedded with, not everyone's going to see it. Okay, so not at every point on the leading edge of this complex will the winds be that strong, but embedded within parts of this line, there will be some of those 70 to 80 plus mile per hour wind gusts. That's 10. By 11, it's right across the Dallas-Fort Worth area from Granbury in through Fort Worth, Carrollton, Louisville, Frisco, McKinney, Bonham, all the way up to Paris. By midnight, we still have, this is moving very fast. The leading edge at that point, already south and east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and there's 1 o'clock in the morning. Behind it, and by 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, we're just dealing with rain at this point. So the stuff that you see here, that's not going to be 60 plus mile per hour winds. That's not going to be tornadoes. That's not going to be hail. It's going to be rain. It's going to be thunder and lightning, and that's it. The severe threat wraps up very quickly once the leading edge passes by. So behind it overnight, that's 2 a.m. There's 3. We'll have some lingering rain, some rumbles of thunder. Then we start Monday morning off. Most of North Texas is dry. There could be some lingering thunderstorms along I-20 southwest, though, of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So as we go through tonight, it's a level 4 moderate risk for the Metroplex and areas to the northwest. Level 3 enhanced risk elsewhere. Again, those are the main concerns listed at the top left here. 70 to 80 plus mile per hour winds up to golf ball size hail. An isolated tornado cannot be ruled out, but that threat is very low. Then as we look ahead to Monday, shower and storm activity starts to wind down by mid-morning. Most of Monday just ends up being dry and cooler too, with temperatures back into the 80s. Today we were 95 at DFW. Tomorrow we'll be in the middle 80s. There will be a couple of showers or storms possible primarily in an axis west of the Metroplex. If you were to draw a line from Wichita Falls down to Hillsboro, it's going to be in this general vicinity here. So that's where those showers and storms could linger Monday afternoon, Monday night. Tonight, 68 degrees. The main risk tonight, damaging winds. We'll be updating you all evening long. Tomorrow it's 86. It's not going to be as warm. We'll have light winds. The 14-day forecast, 86 Monday, 83 degrees Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every day this work week we'll have a chance for scattered showers and storms. The good news is it's a low threat of severe weather. It's not like what we're seeing tonight. Could have some marginally severe hail or wind. That's it. Other than that, we have to wait all the way till Father's Day to get a bit of a break. And then the days after that, most of them will be dry. Couple chances for rain here or there, but overall things do calm down the second half of the 14-day forecast. Keep it with us here on WFAA Plus. We'll be updating you all evening long.